If you're looking for information on the Wordplay Lifetime deal and review, you've come to the right place. The Wordplay Lifetime deal was launched on AppSumo with a significant discount, and in this post, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the Wordplay Lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this post, you'll have everything you need to know about the Wordplay Lifetime deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. This AI writing tool helps you create full-length 1,500-word articles from just the title and a few subheaders. Great for generating content for your blog or website. Get started with Wordplay Long-Form AI Writer. Wordplay helps you to generate SEO-friendly content. Also, the content of Wordplay quickly ranks at the top of search engines. You can generate 1,500+ words from a single keyword with Wordplay. You can shorten your work time and speed up your workflow tenfold. Wordplay allows you to create high-quality, long-form content as quickly as possible. So, let's see some of the unique features of Wordplay. Single article. Wordplay provides 3 sorts of article authoring tools. The first is the Generate Single Article tool. Enter your article title and a description of your content. You can also write about your topic in 2 or 3 lines. You may also add extra subheadings to your article to make it longer. Every subheading aids in the creation of more valuable and high-quality content that translates into visitors. Isn't it straightforward? Bulk creation. You will be able to produce mass material at the same time in Wordplay's bulk content creation mode. It will give CSV templates where you may enter the title, subheading, and other descriptors for each piece of content. Please fill out the CSV template and submit it to the wordplay.ai dashboard. Wait a few seconds before generating mass stuff at once. With the power of AL, you may produce any long-form content. AL mode allows you to produce articles using your favorite terms quickly. First, choose an article length, such as 750, 12.0, or 15.0 words. Enter the target keywords you wish to produce based on your article title. Enter the project name, description, and focus keywords that better characterize your material. You can view the estimated producing words of your article at the bottom. SEO-friendly content. Google employs AI to determine the importance and quality of information. As a result, using an AI tool yourself is the most efficient approach to guarantee your material is suited for these computations. Wordplay's AI content creation employs matching deep learning algorithms. They use it to create content that Google can use to rank. As a result, Wordplay will not only produce high-quality and helpful material, it also makes material that Google's algorithms will generally love and rank. Plagiarism-free content. Google strictly prohibits plagiarism. If you copy someone else's content, Google will find it out. Google doesn't rank plagiarized content. Also, it can block your site from copying someone else's content. Wordplay will give you 100% authentic plagiarism-free content. You don't have to worry about a copyright strike from Google. Easy to use. If you think using AI-powered tools is complicated, you are wrong. Wordplay is designed to reduce the hassle of content writing, so it is straightforward to use. You can easily create high-quality content with Wordplay. AI. Wordplay pricing plans. This AI writer has a unique workflow that is incredibly simple and powerful. To use it, you just input a title, keyword for the article, and then input 6 subheadings. That's it, and a few minutes later, you will have a 1,500-word article. And you can fill the input data out in a CSV and import multiple article requests at once for bulk output. The simplicity is great and the quality of the content is good too. Hoping for more control over the content, and I'm excited to see where the developer takes Wordplay. Wordplay drastically improves the way you create content in your business. Whether you are new to AI writing or not, the speed at which you can create content using Wordplay is the real game changer. Before Wordplay, creating content was complex and took tons of time. After Wordplay, the speed to publishing increases 10x and simplifies your content creation process. At Wordplay, we focus on doing one thing really well: generating helpful content that Google loves. All of the features built in our tool are focused on making your content more accurate, on topic, and useful, which are all factors in Google's ranking algorithm. We also have Google-friendly features like FAQ so that you have higher chances of winning featured snippets or showing up in the People Also Ask section on the search results page. With Wordplay, you no longer need to spend days researching and writing. You no longer have to wait on your writers in order to publish a piece of content. You can now get content in under 15 seconds that is already 95% of the way done. This reduces costs for you and makes it easier for you to publish content. Give Wordplay a spin today and you will not regret it. Why are you late? Get Wordplay Lifetime Access. One-time purchase of $99 only. 60-day money-back guarantee.